So a binomial question, fairly straightforward. Shouldn't have been too tricky. Whichever way you're doing it, I obviously like to just spot the patterns because I'm simple. So 9 choose 0. Remember 9 is the power. 9 choose 0. The first term in there is 2, so it would be 2 to the 9. The next term is px. Remember that's all of it to the power 0. It should be fairly straightforward. 9 choose 1, 2 to the 8, px to the 1. 9 choose 2, 2 to the 7, px all squared, plus the next term, so the fourth term, 9 choose 3, 2 to the 6, p to the x cubed. Now the reason I like doing it this way is I can always check I've got this right. 6 and 3 makes 9, 3 and 6 makes 9, 2 and 7 makes 9, 2 and 7 makes 9, 8 and 1 makes 9, 8 and 1 makes 9, 9 and 0, 0 and 9 makes 9. So I know that this is right. And then I do know lots of things about this. 9 choose 0 is always 1. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. So this means all I've got left is 2 to the 9. I stick that in my calculator. I get 521. Same kind of thing here going on. 9 choose 1 I know is 9 times 2 to the 8 times all of this lot power 1. Oh, I don't need to work that out, so I just got to do 9 times 2 to the power 8 on my calculator. 234 px. Remember, you could just type in 9 choose 1 if you couldn't remember, or 9 choose 0, but c'est la vie. So 9 choose 2. I don't know what that is, so I'm going to use my calculator. 9 choose 2 times 2 to the 7, and remember px all squared gives you p squared and x squared, so don't miss those out. So that will give us 468 p squared x squared. The next one, I don't know what 9 choose 3 is off the top of my head, and I don't know what 2 to the power 6 is either. P cubed and x cubed. So 9 choose 3 times 6, 2 to the 6, 5376 p cubed x cubed. Nice thing in this question there was no negatives, so nothing too difficult to deal with. So that's part A done. Doesn't take very long. Part B, part I. The coefficient of the x cubed term is equal to minus 84. So the x cubed term is this thing. The coefficient is just this bit, everything without the x in there. So 5376 p cubed is equal to minus 84. Divide by 536 and cube root it, and you get p is equal to minus a quarter. The next bit, find the numerical values of the coefficients of the x squared and the x term. So 2304 times by minus a quarter should come out to be negative, so minus 576. So this was the x term, if you like. My x squared term, 4608 times minus a quarter, and the p-value this time, remember, is squared, so I've got to square that. 288. Okay, that's that bit done. So one method mark here for this little bit. One method mark. If you chose to use the formula, you'd still get the method mark. A method mark for subbing in, a method mark for getting all of these bits right. So there was another method mark for doing all of those bits correctly, and basically all of these bits together give you 2 answer marks, so it's pretty much one mark per 2 terms, so just be careful on that. Pulling this coefficient out and setting it equal to minus 84, 1 mark, being able to solve that. Next mark, little substitution, 1 mark, little substitution, 2nd mark.